What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are trying to wrap up the last little bit of work that I need to do to the Dodge Ram 1500 Sport before sending it to auction. We had a lot of plans with getting the Ram painted, the new headlights and corner lights. We already put the new tires and the new wheels and the new tires on it. We replaced a radiator, bare shoes, pulley, because it squeaks. We fixed some wiring issues and we've got it to where it runs and drives great. Hot air conditioning, cold heat. We replaced the leaking radiator. That thing was a bear. We did the rear brake shoes and wheel cylinders as well. Bled all of the brakes, got the brakes working as well. And we still have radiator, bear, shoes, pulley. We also put a dash cap on the dashboard. There's one thing left before I send it to auction. Like I said, I had planned on taking it off to paint, but you know, life happens, things change, and I decided while I have to go take a trip over to Oregon and deal with some stuff over there and down in Dallas also, while I was gone, I was just gonna go ahead and turn these cars, trucks, etc. into money so that when I get back from my trip, there should be a nice stack of cash waiting for me when I get home. So the Ram going up for sale, for those of you that have been interested in it, the 1919 Dodge Ram is going to be heading to auction. I tried my best to avoid that distributor cap. I also sprayed out the bed. As you can see, the bed looks real good now. Washed the truck down as well. She looks pretty dang good. Will it run? Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, this is why I wash engines. This is why I wash engines. Right here. And this is the 1919 Ram 1500 Limited, Laramie Limited, Longhorn Limited, Laramie, Cummins Turbo. Yeah. No, I'm totally, I mean, it is mine, but I'm totally trying to impersonate Doug DeMera though. I love you, Doug DeMera. I'm just screwing with you, man. Hey, I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuild. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm going to attempt to do an unboxing of my new, the 1919 Ram 1500 Limited, Laramie Limited, Longhorn Limited, Laramie. So we'll start by taking a quick walk around it. We'll do the remote start real quick. They don't come on until you unlock it. There they are. Boards. And let's turn the radio down. Let's go ahead and start it. Okay, now that we've actually pushed the start button, I think we should have some beautiful LED. There they are. LED daytime running lights right there. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous.